We set out on this Sunday morning mountain bike event. The first leg crosses the dusty city of Kampala. The target is the Gabba Market port, where we load up our bikes for the crossing. At the Bule port, we set out to do some dirt roads, farming tracks, and foot trails.
Wow, did you catch that in the lake? This is all zigzagging. I'm not sure if we're taking the straight way or the crooked way.
Hey guys,
We're back on the road again.
Yep.
Termites, yummy.
Along the way, we meet another cycling club.
We're just a group of Kampala cyclists.
And it's called?
Fun Cycling UG.
What lake is that?
The same one we came from.
Another repair stop. What kind of bicycles are you guys renting here?
Marlene reminds us that it's brunch time.
Alex.
Perfect.
After the third mechanical breakdown, a lift is in order. 32 kilometers later, we return to the port for our boat trip back to the city. But we still have 7 kilometers of serious hills before returning to our starting point. But not for all of us.